Hey guys, it's Larri, and I am here with another Plan With Me video. And today I am doing the first week of October 2018 with this gorgeous artwork. Hope it's not blurry. This is from Wendy T of the Darling Happy Planners. I will have a link and information below where you can get these free printable stickers. And it's called Fashionably Me, and I just thought it was perfect for the season and just adorable. Look at how cute all of this stuff is. So this is the PDF file I printed out. I turned it into stickers on my Cricut machine, and we are going to get to some decorating. Alright, so if you want to see how this turns out and plan along with me, then stick around, we'll get started. So again, this is the artwork from Wendy T of the Darling Happy Planners Facebook group. You do need to be a member to get her free printables, but I will have some information, a link below. I just think this is just too stinking cute. She really did a fantastic job. I love the colors. I love the girls. I love the fall leaves. I love the coffee. So I turned them into stickers and cut them out on my Cricut. And here are the ones that I chose. I also added in text for my social media, which I like to do. I've got a little washi strip there, little sidebar, weekly tracker there. I think I made my planner too big. I could have made that smaller. But just so cute, very pretty, very artistic looking. So I may or may not use any washi outside of what is in the design, but we'll see how it all comes together. So if you want to plan with me, then pull up a chair, grab your planner, get something fun to drink, maybe a pumpkin spice latte, whatever you choose. Let's have some fun. So I'm going to play the music. I'd love for you to like the video, subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, and let's start having some fun. I'm all done. Check it out. What do you think? I love it. It was super fun. It was a lot of play. It was a lot of just fun decorating, and it'll be obviously super functional. I usually do top 3 tasks for a day. This one has 4. That's fine, but I can write those in. I've still got plenty of space for my appointments and some of my things to do, so I'll be writing all that stuff in later. But I think it's super cute. It's one of the more girly, fun, decorative type ones that I've done in a long time. So I really enjoyed this beautiful free printable sticker kit. I hope you did as well. Leave me a comment below. Do you use stickers from Wendy T of the Darling Happy Planners Facebook group? Are you familiar with her? Have you used her sticker kits? And if you have, let me know which one is your favorite. She came out with, I think, a couple of months ago, and I've specially waited for fall to use it because I thought it would be ideal for October. So please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. Thank you so much for being here with me. And share my videos if you'd like. I love to see more people join us and do more plan with me's. I'd love to answer questions if you have any questions on how I make the stickers or where I find the artwork. So come play with us. I appreciate you. See you in the next video. Remember, please always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light, guys. See you soon. Bye.